Using this contour gauge, I already marked a piece right there, like this. So hopefully I'll cut it and I'll go right here. I'm gonna check it out right now. Right there. Now I can use this. You're new to Thailand or anything, and you gotta make difficult cuts like this, I highly recommend the contour gauge. You know what I mean? It just helps you out. You know, if you've never, like, see this? If you've never done cuts like that before, you don't know how to use a tape and measure, then I would use a contour gauge. It's an awesome tool to have in your toolbox.